Hi guys, today I have another really exciting recipe for you all. So for all of my gluten-free foodies, this one is for you. Today I've come up with a recipe for gluten-free coconut bake, so I hope you all enjoy this one. So to start, I'm going in with some PHILSBURY gluten-free flour, some coconut flour, some yeast, and I'm using dry active yeast, brown sugar, some fresh grated or grounded coconut, a piece of CRISCO or COOKEN or LARD, salt, and we want to mix those ingredients and cut that COOKEN or LARD into the flour until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Once it reaches that consistency, go in with your lukewarm coconut milk. Now I used a lot of coconut milk for this. You want a really soft, runny consistency. You see the consistency? This is what you want it to be like. Next, pour this out into your greased pan, and I'm using a square pan. You can use a circle pan if you like. You can even make these into muffins. Spread it out evenly, and then using your plastic wrap, you're going to cover this and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. After it's finished resting, remove the plastic wrap, and I'm going to go ahead and spritz this with some butter flavored cooking spray. After it's finished spritzing, you're going to place it into your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until when you put a skewer through it, it comes out clean. Now, this is what it looks like. I know it's a bit cracked up, but trust me, the flavor is there. It's really soft. It's delicate. It's not dry. It has a nice moist consistency. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know down below if you like it. Thank you so much for all of the requests. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.